Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram.
Today we are showing you guys how to make a refreshing and aromatic dessert, Pandan Sago. It is creamy, fragrant, and perfect for any hot day.
So y'all, let's get started.
Here's what you'll need. Tapioca pearls, tapioca stick, pandan jelly, almond jelly, pandan extract, Nata de Coco, palm fruit and syrup, Logan, coconut milk, evaporated milk, and condensed milk.
Start by bringing a pot of water to a boil and add in your sago, also known as tapioca pearls, and cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent them from sticking. Next, soak the tapioca strips for 20 minutes in hot water, and then strain and boil them for 10 minutes. And in the meantime, let's prepare our other ingredients. Open the can of pandan jelly and almond jelly and chop them into cubes. Also, drain the jar of coconut jelly and Logan from their juices. Now, once the pearls become mostly translucent, turn off the heat, put a lid on it, and let them sit for 15 minutes to finish cooking. Then, drain and rinse the tapioca pearls and strips under cold water and set them aside. Now, let's combine all the ingredients. So, to the bowl with pandan and almond jelly, add in coconut jelly, palm fruit and syrup, Logan, tapioca strips, tapioca pearls, evaporated milk, coconut cream, condensed milk, and pandan extract. Give this a good stir and chill it in the fridge for a few hours. Or serve it immediately with a scoop of crushed ice or over ice cubes for a quick refreshment. And there you have it, creamy, chewy, and absolutely delightful Pandan Sago. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe for more delicious treats. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite chilled dessert. See you next time!